To change the oxygen sensor on your car, you'll need an oxygen sensor socket. The first step in removing an oxygen sensor is to unplug the wire harness. There's a clip that you need to press, and as you hold it pressed, you pull away the connector. The next step is to remove the oxygen sensor. We'll place the socket on the O2 sensor and just break it loose. Once you break it loose, it'll be pretty easy to remove the old oxygen sensor. The next step would be to install the new oxygen sensor. Start threading the O2 sensor by hand on the manifold. Once you do that, you can put the socket on the O2 sensor and start tightening it. Torque the O2 sensor according to your manufacturer specifications. Once you're done with that, connect the wire harness, and that's it, you're done.